I'm very happy to be here at the Hancock Air Base, where drones are used to enable the Israeli settlers and others to wreak havoc on the poor children in Gaza. So I'm happy to be here standing with those who say no to endless war, yes to cooperation, yes to peace, give peace a chance. And I'm happy to say that I worked with Jill Stein for the last 6 weeks to get petitions. As you know, she's running for peace and the planet and for the people, so that we are trying to come together and point out another way to go rather than, as I said, the endless war. This war, we're told, is the most necessary and just war, as were all the others we were told were also. But we've had continuous wars since the end of World War II. And in fact, we realize that America is not interested in winning wars. America is interested in having wars because profits are returned to the pockets of the politicians. So it's sad. I did come across several interesting things when I was collecting petitions. One of them that jumped into my mind right now was I met a young man, an older man, as I am. I'm 84, and he was in his late 70s. His father wrote a lovely book called Christ in Concrete. And what it did was to examine the contributions that the Italian-American community made in the borough of Brooklyn, New York, for the beautiful churches that they built in celebration of their religion. So let us return to a time when we had conscience, religion, and we worked for peace and not war. Thank you and have a good day.